What's the meaning of cabinet? Cabinet. Cabinet.
Cabinet. Cabinet. The word cabinet has multiple meanings depending on the context it is used in. In general, a cabinet can refer to a piece of furniture with drawers or shelves for storage, such as a kitchen cabinet or a filing cabinet. It can also refer to a group of government officials who advise and make decisions for a country's leader or government. Additionally, the term cabinet is also used in some industries to describe a type of enclosure or box used to house electronic equipment. However, the precise meaning of cabinet will largely depend on the specific context in which it is being used.